speeding ticket. I brighten up when it's EM. When it's EP, my heart sinks 3 sizes. Is she there? Yes.
Yep.
Anyone else?
Okay, Ms. Harvey, if you would go ahead and unmute your device or say something.
Am I unmuted?
Yes, you are. Good morning. Okay, I have a document that indicates that if you plead guilty to the added reduced charge of driving a defective vehicle, it's a 2-point violation. On May 6th of 2021 at about 1:48 in the afternoon in the area of Highway 85 at Mill Road. That's sort of 64th Avenue, and it's where the railroad overpasses are on Highway 85 here in Commerce City. The city attorney will dismiss the original speeding charge against you. Is this how you wish to resolve your case today?
Yes,
Did you watch the advisement of rights video?
I did.
Okay, I'm going to go over some of those rights with you. Do you understand that if I accept your guilty plea to this reduced charge, you're waiving your right to be represented by an attorney in this case?
Yes,
You're also waiving your right to be presumed innocent of the original speeding charge unless and until the city attorney is able to establish your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt at trial, because by pleading guilty to this reduced charge, you're giving up your right to have a trial. Do you understand that?
yes,
You're giving up your rights to confront and cross-examine any witnesses that the city attorney would call in support of the original charge against you. You're giving up your right to present evidence on your own behalf, including calling witnesses on your own behalf. And if your witnesses would not appear in court voluntarily, to have the court issue subpoenas for you free of charge, which could then be used by you to have your witnesses ordered to appear on the date of your trial. You're giving up your rights during the course of a trial to testify or to remain silent. And if it was your choice to remain silent, the fact that you did so could not and would not be used against you to establish your guilt. If at the end of the trial you were found guilty of the original speeding charge, you would have the right to appeal that conviction to a higher court. Do you understand that if I accept your guilty plea to this reduced charge today, you're giving up all of those trial and appeal related rights?
yes,
Has anyone forced you or coerced you to get you to plead guilty to this reduced charge against your will?
no,
Has anyone made any promise to you to get you to enter this guilty plea?
no,
Are you currently under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or medications that affect your ability to understand what you're doing in court today?
no,
Then to the added reduced charge of driving a defective vehicle, a 2-point violation on May 6th of 2021 here in Commerce City, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
guilty.
I will accept your guilty plea. I'll find it's knowing, intelligently, and voluntarily made with a full understanding of the rights being waived as well as the possible consequences. Is there anything you want me to take into consideration before I impose the sentence against you?
No,
Okay. How long have you been driving in Colorado?
since 1971.
Okay. At least since DMV updated their records about 14 years ago, this looks like it's your first moving violation. Is this correct?
Yes,
All right, your schedule fine's $120. Because of your excellent driving record, I'm going to reduce your fine to $40 plus surcharges plus court costs. My clerks will reach out to you by email. It'll either be later today, tomorrow, certainly before Friday. They'll tell you what the total is, and if you need them to, they'll work out a payment plan for you. Do you have any questions?
no.
Okay, then you can go ahead and leave the meeting and just keep an eye out for that email, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.